What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. If you're an oldie but a goodie, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, my name is Brenda. I do all around fashion, beauty, and lifestyle videos. Today, I'm actually in my kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to make my everyday coffee using my brand new Nespresso Vertuo Plus coffee machine. So keep on watching.
It feels like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
Alright guys, so this is heaven right here. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you know that I am a huge coffee drinker. Like, I am a huge coffee drinker. 95% of my body is made out of coffee. Seriously, like I drink coffee any day, all day, every day, morning, nighttime, afternoon. So as soon as I moved into my new place, the first thing I bought was my Nespresso baby. I knew I wanted this machine a while ago, okay? But I did not purchase it for personal reasons, but now that I'm here, I thought it was the best thing that I had to purchase right away. And this baby right here has really saved me a ton of money. Let's start with that. I no longer go to Starbucks, which is a huge plus. I do, of course, go every now and then, but I think in the last month since I purchased this, I've only probably gone twice. And you guys know me, that's a long time for me to not go to Starbucks. So yeah, and also I'm gonna go ahead and be sharing with you guys what I like to use for my everyday hot and iced coffee. So in today's video, my husband will be making an appearance as well because he knows how to make better coffee than I do. I'm still kind of getting the hang of it, but he makes it so bomb. So he will be joining us in a little bit, but before we get started, I do want to talk about what I use. So first and foremost is the Nespresso machine. So like I said, the one that I purchased is the Nespresso Vertuo Plus with the Aerochino 3. I want to say what's called. Pretty much this is a milk frother, okay? So you put your milk in there and then it froths it up and makes it so, it's like I'm drinking coffee on a cloud. Like it tastes so bomb, like so yummy. I love it. I will be talking about what I like to use every day, why it's important to use this specifically. You guys will see why. So this both came in a package together. I will link it down below in case you guys are interested in purchasing an espresso machine for yourself. I actually got a bundle deal. I ended up purchasing this one at Bed Bath & Beyond. They do have it at Target. They have it at Walmart. They have it at Bed Bath & Beyond. Yeah, it's the only place that I've seen it personally. I'm not sure if they have it anywhere else, but I bought mine at Bed Bath & Beyond and it was on a bundle deal. I knew I had to get the frother because I absolutely love my milk that way, so I had to go and pick it up together. But you can definitely choose to buy the Nespresso machine on its own. It comes in a beautiful matte black color, which originally I wanted it in the matte black, but Jesus, we could not find it anywhere. It was sold out everywhere. So when we found it at Bed Bath & Beyond, it was in the stainless steel and black, which is fine because my entire kitchen is stainless steel and black, so it kind of fit with the aesthetic. But I do think that the black one is gorgeous. So definitely go check them out. They have a ton that you can choose from. I also have picked up myself some beautiful mugs. I got these mugs right here from, what did I get at Target? Yeah, I got this one from Target and then I picked up a few more at World Market. They are just a beautiful glass mug. I absolutely love it. No, it does not burn my fingers when I pick it up. It's actually, I want to say that it's made specifically to not do that, so don't worry about that issue. And then I picked up these guys right here at Home Goods, a packet of 2. I picked up 2 packages, so I have a total of 4 in my kitchen, which is the double wear glass. So you guys can see it keeps it really, really iced or really hot. And you don't have to worry about picking it up with your hands because it will not burn your fingers. Next up is my organizers right here. You guys can see I have these organizers right here. I picked up from Home Goods in a packet of 4. I have them in my drawer where I keep my Nespresso machine. So right now I actually have them displayed on my island to show you guys, but typically it's in a corner in my kitchen. So I have a cabinet right there that I keep all of my Nespresso pods perfectly organized and very aesthetically pleasing. I will be showing you guys my favorite flavors today. I picked up a ton of flavors from the Nespresso bar, which by the way, you guys, you could only pick up your coffee pods at the Nespresso bar. They do carry them online, I want to say at Target and Bed Bath & Beyond. But if you want them quick, and of course Nespresso.com, but if you want them quick, go to a Nespresso bar. For me, it is South Coast. That is where I wanted to pick up mine. I picked up a ton of flavors, but my everyday drink is the vanilla and the regular iced coffee. Next up, I'm gonna go and show you guys what I use every single day. Even on Instagram, when I post my everyday coffee on my stories, you guys blow me up and ask me, hey, how do you get your milk that way? What caramel drizzle are you using? So first off, I'm gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about my creamer. I got the Starbucks Caramel Macchiato creamer. I picked this up at Target, and honestly, it's just the perfect creamer. I dab just a little bit when I'm feeling more of a sweet tooth and I want my coffee to be sweeter. I just dab it in at the very end and it's the perfect amount, and it tastes like the caramel macchiato from Starbucks, which by the way, if you guys have never tried it, you have to try the caramel macchiato. It is so bomb, hot or iced. I love it iced. When I used to go to Starbucks before, look at me, like when I used to go. I still go, but you know, obviously the caramel macchiato is one of my go-tos at Starbucks. So when I saw this, I thought that was the perfect creamer for moi. Next up is my caramel drizzle. This is the best caramel drizzle, you guys. I am literally going to go on Amazon and see if I can find like a bulk of them because I use so much of it. Even though I like to drink my coffee just black, if that, you know, sometimes it has a little bit of flavor, like this is sugar-free vanilla. I still throw one caramel drizzle. Even at Starbucks, I would always throw caramel drizzle on top of any of my drinks, iced or hot. I would even ask for extra caramel drizzle. So when I saw this, this is the premium sauce caramel by Girardelli. I'm probably saying that wrong, but this is the best one. You guys can find this anywhere. You could even find them at Ross in the food section. You can find them at Home Goods in the food section, Target, Walmart. This is just the best brand, so I highly, highly recommend it. Last but not least, good old whole milk. So one thing I did learn at the Nespresso bar when I was picking up my Nespresso pods was that if you want your milk to be super frothy, it has to be high in protein. So we have tried everything from almond milk to coconut milk to 2% milk. The best milk is whole milk, which I know for all, you know, my peeps who are maybe lactose or you don't want to use whole milk, definitely feel free to use the almond milk, the coconut milk, the 2% milk, any milk you'd like, but keep in mind it will not be as frothy and cloudy, and yeah, it won't be like, it won't get that way because it is low in protein. So whole milk, it is super high in protein, so it is by far the best milk to use for your frother if you're looking to get that really foamy texture. And for me, I don't mind. I'm not lactose and I don't drink as much milk anyways. The only milk that I ever drink is in my coffee if I do get milk in it. And so yeah, this is pretty much all mine because my son is actually lactose, so he has to drink 2% milk, and my husband hardly even drinks milk, so I get these specifically for me. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. My husband's gonna now join me in my video. By the way, if you guys have not seen my husband in previous videos, his name is Eduardo. Hi babe, say hi.
Hi.
You guys have probably seen me in a couple of my videos. Like I said, he is 10 times better at making my coffee very yummy in the mornings, so I'm gonna go ahead and let him take over.
Alright, we're gonna start off with the iced coffee.
Yes.
Alright, so we're gonna get ice, okay?
Okay, so my husband said he's gonna go ahead and put ice in it. This is another thing that we were told at the Nespresso bar, that they highly recommend you put ice after, but we've come to terms that for us, we like it prior. But yeah, it's just preference if you wanna put it before or after.
Alright,
and then just regular iced coffee. You pop it in there.
And then we hold it.
Okay.
2 seconds, and then we'll just start.
And now we wait. By the way, it has like a little lock and an unlock feature, so you guys it'll tell you which way it is to lock it and which way it is to unlock it.
And while we wait, we're gonna froth our milk.
Oh.
There's a line that you're supposed to fill it up to, like it'll let you know up to what line you fill it up to so it doesn't overspill.
Which, by the way, that has happened to me. Hence why he's the one making the coffee, because it's happened to me more than once. So
Yes.
yeah.
So it froths two ways. It froths cold and hot. If we hold it for 2 seconds, you'll see a blue light, which means it's frothing for cold, so for like the iced coffee.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Which I didn't even know that. That's very convenient, because you can make it really hot, you can make it really cold. Now that we have our copy filled with our copy, our cup filled with coffee, we put the frother. Ooh, look at that. Did you guys see how that frother just like makes the milk so yummy?
And then the syrup.
Oh, syrup. So again, I personally just drink mine with just the caramel drizzled right on top. So you guys see how simple that was? Just 3 steps: coffee, frother, and caramel syrup, and that's about it. All right, guys, and that's how simple it was to make an iced coffee. So you guys saw all we had to do was make sure that there was enough water, which, by the way, I don't think I mentioned this earlier. So on each side, you have 2 little, what are these?
Yeah, so this is the reservoir, and then this is where the trash goes. So once I lift it, it will just slide off and it'll go into the trash tray.
That is very convenient, guys. So you don't have to walk your ass over to your trash can. It just puts them in here, and I can just empty them out by the end of the week.
Yeah, and so next we're gonna do the hot coffee. So it's super basic. Same step, you open it, you pop it in, close it, and just push the button.
So good. I should not be having coffee right now. It is 5 in the afternoon, but oh well.
I prefer energy drinks.
By the way, yeah, you guys, Eddie does not drink coffee. So this is all for me. So the fact that he makes me coffee, because he doesn't like it. It's good though, you tried them though, huh? By the way, it only froths for about
60 seconds.
60 seconds.
I mean, but you can push the button and just stop it at whatever time you want if you feel
Yeah.
like that's enough.
Which I've also done, because like I said, I've over flooded it. So I gotta stop it on my own because I've done that. So yeah, I don't make coffee.
Alright, so then I stop it. I take it out and
Voila. And again, you could have caramel drizzle right on top, or the creamer like I showed you guys earlier. The creamer that I like to use is this one specifically, but you don't have to. This is just regular coffee, so I might not. I just wanted to showcase it to you guys in case you love creamer. And yeah, that's it. Cheers to iced and hot coffee.
strong.
See, guys, he doesn't drink coffee. All right, guys, and simple as that. That completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really do want to continue to make a lot more videos like this for you guys, but this is by far one of the best purchases I've made for my kitchen. And again, it is my everyday coffee, so I hope you guys really enjoyed it. If you go off and get it, let me know in the comment section down below. Let me know how much you loved it. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all on my next video. Bye.